Are you ready to make professional yard signs like the one I made for my son? My son graduated class of 2024. Congratulations to him. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Canva and make your design. Now, if you don't have Canva, what are you waiting for? Number one. But number two, if you don't have Canva, that's fine. You can go on Creative Fabrica, or you can go on Etsy and buy a template and do drag and drop, or you can go on somewhere like Fiverr and have someone create the design for you. It's ways around it. But anyway, you will need your design. Basically, you will need your design right here. I'm just this design I created for our t-shirts that we wore to my son's graduation. So I am moving the elements and the photos around to fit the yard sign, because of course a yard sign is larger than a t-shirt. So I'm going to use the same design that I use for the t-shirts on the yard sign. So I'm just moving the elements around here in Canva. I do have Canva Pro. I do highly recommend Canva Pro. All right. So after you get your design made, or have someone make it for you, whatever the case may be, you if you're in Canva, you're going to download it as a PNG. I download it at the highest amount of pixels possible. Then you're going to go to OfficeDepot.com. You're going to choose the location that's nearest to you. In the menu option, you're going to go down to same day pickup, click on yard signs, and then click on upload your design. Now, if you already have your design, you're going to upload it into Office Depot, and as you can see, it'll pop up right here, and you can drag and drop it. You can drag it around however you want to do to make sure it fits. You'll choose which yard sign you want, what size you want, and then they print it out same day. When I tell you, and as you can see, yeah, look at me, y'all. It's so easy. It comes with the stakes and everything. And Office Depot have the option for you to be able to design in Canva as well. So